Welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to clean the charging port on your phone. Motorola Edge 40 Neo. For this we need a brush about 2 centimeters long so that it has bristles. Because if it's shorter, it won't reach all the way to the end of the port. The bristles need to be flexible so that they return to their original position. Additionally, they should be made of soft or medium hard bristles because if they're too hard, they'll scratch the phone. We also need isopropyl alcohol, which will first soften the dirt so it comes out of the port, and then it will evaporate completely, leaving absolutely no residue. If someone doesn't have these professional brushes, they can always use a toothbrush, as long as it's soft or medium hard. You can buy these professional brushes on Amazon, Allegro. They'll also be available in such a set, so you can find and buy them yourself. You'll have exactly the same tools, just like we do. So the phone must be turned off for this operation. We never do any kind of cleaning with the phone turned on. We moisten the brush with alcohol very thoroughly so that it's completely wet. We carefully take the phone at an angle and with a single directional motion thoroughly clean out the charging port, starting first by moving in one single direction. Do this 10 times all the way through, pushing out any debris. Then do it in the other direction. Do the same thing 10 times, so that all the dirt comes out of the port and we have a clean port. Repeat this about 5 times in each direction. To thoroughly clean the port, so we can have peace of mind for a longer time. As I said, do it in one direction only because if you go back and forth, the dirt will just move to the middle instead of coming out of the port. That's why doing it several times in one direction causes the dirt to move to the side of the port, and then from that side it will come out upwards as you push it. And the alcohol makes the dirt soft. That's why it comes out easily and you can remove it from the port without any problem. After the procedure, leave the phone for about 10 minutes so that all the alcohol evaporates from the port, and to make sure nothing is left inside so there won't be any problems. And now the phone is ready to use. That's all for today. Thank you very much for watching. Please give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.